Well, I have an interesting new one that we're going to try and on this one. So, one of the things I really want to jump on this one because I think we will each person each person will have their where they feel that they need to go at that area. So this is about confidence to look at it, and then this is to start to the year on strong, strong. So a year of strong. So what will look for that? How will that feel for you? Starting the year strong. So, I think that our strong can be great, but it needs to be a strong that'll be okay. You yeah, I'm strong. No, that feels okay. You know what I mean? That that being strong, that we need to look at those different areas of strong. So feeling emotion that yeah, I feel comfortable what I'm doing. I'm comfortable in where I go. I'm comfortable on how I connect to others. A strong of you know. So what feels comfortable? And say you feel that you are in a year strong that makes makes it'll work for you. And I don't want my this will fall. No, I don't want that to fall. Um, but starting the year strong. So what will you feel that is strong? What areas do you say, yeah, let me bring this one. So that is emotional, good. Emotional ones. Then physical, they strong. To eating good. Healthy ones. Healthy adherers. So physical ideas that would be good for you. So physical can be, the eating, but also physical, doing some work. Are you confident your health, your strength, uh, mm, physical strength, and where do you feel that you can do every day for 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. So that's uh you know home could be home extensions or home uh exist, your time That's because that's what I've been doing every 15 minutes every day. That I go and do something I can, I can walk. It's only a few minutes, but a few seconds, but I can get my little walking, and then I come back, and then I do. Then I'm sitting and I do my other stuff. So emotional, physical, and emotional can be yours, personal emotions, and your personal. So you have your personal needs, and then people. So you have emotionals. So emotional. So your personal, and your people. So you got to look at what that looks at. Where that I will fix. And wheelchair needs. So wheelchair needs, and that's a piece that you need to look at. If is your particular wheelchair is working, and if you need to change it or change something that's fun, so fun or physical, that you need to look at what part of the wheelchair is not, that you say, something needs to look at this for it to maybe better, and maybe try to see if you can find somebody to help you with that piece. So wheelchair, is important. That wheelchair is that piece of your, the piece you make, or the piece that somebody will need to help you fix it. All that kind of things in terms of wheelchair life. Does that make sense? Phil? No, don't fall. but but it has an idea for that. Wheelchair, time to look at it and see. Um, so I think that those things that we're looking at, wheelchair confidence, starting the year strong, and what's going to work the best for your personal time, your life, your life. Is it Susie? Brian? How's everybody doing? Oh, I did this, or I did that, or I did the other. I met so and so, a new friend, or so many different things that you can do to be a good wheelchair person, a wheelchair user, to be that place, you know that place of you that makes great, makes that really makes great. And it's going to be different, you know and it's going to be different for last year. So what does it look like today? What does it look at I at our year? What does it look like? I had my whole piece that I had to learn how to make sure that I am at the at the bathroom and make sure that I had those pieces there and that I was making sure that I had the time where I needed to get those pieces done and that I put all the energy and then I put my time to be okay and not to, not kill myself, but alive. So I think to be alive to me is getting better, I would say. And then there's going to be that manual wheelchair that I'm going to have to look at it and use it and make sure that it works. Anything that I need to change or, any things that I need to change. I got to change my my changes on my things because I do a lot of things to go up there and then go over there in the bathroom and make sure that but sometimes I grab the changes here. So anyway, I think to look at those things for a wheelchair confidence starting the year strong for you and what it looks. So emotionals, your physical pieces of what you feel is the best, better, and wheelchair user, what is that becoming? Doesn't have to be exactly, but it can be becoming. All right. So I'm going to leave this piece for you and to think about it. And I know that I have done much already. And last time I taught, I shared what I did, during my stuff at my house and everything. So I'm hoping this will be better. And let's see what we can do. All right, people, share, and that gives us some ideas, and you can share to other people, or you can come and share for all of us. So, and we can do those, and that would be fun. All right, take care.